right, moving on to the last story, and we're talking about actress Rosy Meurer. Now, she's a Nollywood actress, and she's also the current wife of Tonto Dikeh's ex-husband. She's come out to say that she doesn't have a relation or never had any kind of relation to Tonto Dikeh. And the old video that have been circulating of her saying that she's very good friends with Tonto Dikeh is because her management at that time asked her to make such remarks. Let's take a look at the video.
So this is me speaking for myself today, guys. Please, please, please. I was never best friends with anyone. Never, ever, ever. I don't know her till today. I've never met her. I don't know her. I've never visited their home. No one has ever invited me, then to any married home where I entered and got introduced to a man that I snatched. Do you understand? So please guys, this is from me to you guys. I mean no harm. I mean everyone that my husband likes, I like. Everyone he loves, I love. I love all his children equally. If he comes to me and say, hey babe, I need you to watch my son, I need you to watch my daughter, I will do it with all pleasure. His daughter is with me right now. Do you guys know? No, you don't know. I'm taking care of her right now. She's in my house. So, I mean, I'm not a bad person, and I believe that all children deserve both parents.
Well, this is all we have for you today on MX BREAKZ on MX24 TV. My name is Daphne Flashley. What do you think about this story? You can share in your comments, your additions, your subtractions, and all of that in our comment section on our pages on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at MX24GH. I'll come to you same time tomorrow with more juicier stories. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.